Welcome back to Woodcut Tech, where we explore cutting-edge woodworking technology. Today, we're going to dissect this giant CNC machine, see how it turns raw wood into a work of art. If you're passionate about wood and technology, don't leave. Let's get started. I happened to witness a stump grinder in action and was immediately captivated. The spinning cutting wheel, with its razor-sharp teeth, tore through the tough wood like a mechanical beast of raw power. Each cut was a performance of strength and precision, where the roaring engine and hydraulic system controlled every movement seamlessly. The scene was both brutal and mesmerizing, making it impossible to look away. A perfect moment of technology conquering nature. Who would have thought wood chips could be this fascinating? The PTH 12000 is like a metal beast, with its massive 660mm grinding drum and a 1200mm wide intake, devouring giant logs without hesitation. The engine roars, the blades spin furiously, shredding through solid wood and transforming it into a stream of fuel in an instant. Each cut is a spectacle of raw power, where technology doesn't just tame nature, it turns it into a force that serves humanity. The DH-150ER on the Tigercat 822D Feller Buncher is the perfect combination of power and efficiency. Designed with a high-speed cutting drum and durable blades, the DH-150ER swiftly processes trees and dense vegetation. Thanks to the powerful hydraulic system of the Tigercat 822D, it operates smoothly even in harsh environments, from thick forests to rough terrains. This machine not only optimizes forest clearing, but also transforms biomass into useful mulch in an instant. Have you ever witnessed a dense forest being cleaved apart in just a few minutes? Two massive D6 bulldozers, tightly connected by a colossal steel chain, charge forward like steel beasts. The chains act like sharp sickles, tearing through trees and underbrush in a devastating storm, making even nature bow in submission. Each pull is a display of unmatched power, carving a path through dense forests as if slicing through any barrier. This is how humanity uses technology to conquer rugged, untamed landscapes. Like a steel beast roaring in the night, the machine with its razor-sharp teeth charges at the tree stump, crushing everything in an instant. This is no gardening tool, but a relentless destroyer, unstoppable in its power. The steel teeth grip tightly into the tree's roots, shaking violently as chunks of soil break apart, exposing the roots beneath like massive wounds. Each crushing motion is a magnificent display of power and devastation, making the surrounding space tremble. Timber harvesting, muddy roads, and steep slopes are challenges that cannot be avoided. When trucks face difficulties, bulldozers are immediately deployed as a powerful helping hand, providing the necessary pulling force to get the vehicle past any obstacle. This perfect combination not only ensures a safe journey, but also boosts productivity while minimizing the risk of getting stuck. Each pull of the bulldozer is a steady step forward, turning difficult paths into ones easily navigated. Have you ever dreamed of creating unique wooden pieces, works that carry your personal touch? With the HM16 chainsaw, stepping into the world of woodworking has never been easier. Imagine a rough log gradually transforming into an elegant table, a comfortable chair, or even a one-of-a-kind piece of art crafted by your own hands. The HM16 not only helps you cut wood, but also opens the door to endless creativity, turning simple ideas into magnificent reality. That's the power of technology, combined with your imagination. The Iveco is stuck in the muddy swamp, struggling like a beast trapped in a deadly quagmire. The front wheels spin wildly, flinging mud in all directions, while the engine roars with sheer power. The driver grips the steering wheel tightly, tension filling the air. One small mistake could sink everything even deeper. Will he manage to break free from this nail-biting predicament? Stay tuned for an intense rescue. Who would have thought that a small floor jack could uproot a massive tree stump? With precise positioning, each slow lift tightens the roots until suddenly, the entire stump bursts free like a beast breaking its chains. But don't be fooled. This is no easy task. A large stump can resist fiercely, even causing the jack to slip or break under immense pressure if handled incorrectly. This isn't just about brute force, it's the art of patience and precision. The SF1116 self-propelled log blocker is a beast of a woodworking machine. Equipped with a 16-foot conveyor belt for smooth wood transport, combined with a powerful 11-horsepower Honda engine, it is ready to crush any challenge. In particular, the smart wood lift table helps optimize the process, reducing labor but maximizing efficiency. This is not just a machine, it is a powerful assistant for any professional sawmill. Are you ready to upgrade your woodworking business? You're facing a massive pile of logs and need a quick solution? Posh Vario 650 is the machine for you. This powerful Austrian beast can handle logs up to 25.6 inches wide, with 17.6 tons of splitting force. Need to adjust firewood size? The Vario system makes it effortless. Powerful, fast, and efficient. This is the ultimate ally for all your wood processing needs. The hydraulic log splitter with a 4-way splitting wedge is the ultimate solution for high-performance wood processing. Its high-power hydraulic cylinder generates immense splitting force, ensuring fast and uniform log splitting. The 4-way wedge allows logs to be divided into multiple pieces in a single pass, doubling efficiency compared to standard blades. A reinforced frame and heavy-duty log support table provide stability during operation. This is an essential machine for the professional logging and wood processing industry. With a staggering 1,150 horsepower, this wood chipper is an absolute beast, capable of handling massive logs up to 900 millimeters in diameter. Its 1,200 by 900 millimeter feed opening and 1,500 millimeters drum, 1,300 millimeters wide, ensure crushing efficiency, delivering an impressive output of 200 to 300 milliquarters per hour. The 1,300 millimeters wide feeding chain guarantees smooth operation, making it the ultimate choice for heavy-duty industrial projects. The veteran tree feller stood before the towering giant, a massive cedar whose trunk exceeded even the span of his arms. With precisely calculated notches cut to millimeter perfection, he carefully crafted the felling groove before positioning the hydraulic jack as the crucial pivot point. The machine's low hum filled the air as gradual pressure tilted the massive trunk along its predetermined path. A sharp crack silenced the forest as the tree thundered down in the exact planned direction, avoiding every obstacle. A flawless execution blending precision craftsmanship with modern technology.
Done.
This New Holland beast guzzles 10 to 16 gallons of diesel per hour, a fuel consumption rate that would make anyone's jaw drop. But consider this, the wood chips it produces daily could heat an entire neighborhood. Here lies the fascinating paradox of modern technology. The more thirsty it is, the more renewable energy it creates. Do you think this trade-off is worth it? In my book, given its staggering productivity, this machine truly turns waste into heroic proportions. Ever tried splitting logs with just a car spring? This mechanical beast runs on pure kinetic energy. A salvaged Volvo spring becomes its powerhouse. No roaring engine, no fuel hassles, just perfect leverage to split even the toughest logs wide open. Simple yet shockingly effective. Proof that brilliant engineering doesn't need complexity. Meet the Tajfun RCA 480, a timber processing beast armed with a massive 60-centimeter circular saw blade that delivers jaw-dropping performance in field tests. But each lightning-fast cut reveals a durability concern: violent blade oscillations after heavy log impacts. The fix? A premium hydraulic damping system that locks down dangerous vibrations, protects components, and maintains smooth operation. Just watching it devour stubborn oak logs is addicting. Ready to experience log splitting as smooth as a hot knife through butter. The Multitech 1620 SF5 firewood processor was already a beast, but this homemade log tumbler mod takes it to another level. Imagine logs automatically flipping and cleaning themselves before processing, saving 30% more time than manual handling. Customers go crazy for spotless firewood and your genius engineering. I bet you're already planning to weld your own copy right now. This is the future of firewood processing. Simply unreal innovation. This DIY log splitter is an absolute beast, built with an 8 horsepower cow engine and repurposed sawmill components. Its terrifying splitting speed and crushing force can dominate even the most stubborn logs. The genius touch, the intentional belt slip, acts as a built-in safety feature, protecting both the machine and operator when encountering extra hardwood. While it occasionally meets its match with massive logs, as a homemade build, this machine is seriously impressive engineering. This industrial stump grinder processes 100 stumps an hour using 27-inch alloy blades and 40-ton hydraulic pressure. Requires 120 hove-plus tractors for optimal operation. Despite high output, blades need 2-hour maintenance after each shift. Average rental cost, $600 a day at construction sites. As a passionate gardener, I'm utterly captivated by this wood chipper. Gone are the exhausting afternoons wrestling with piles of branches. Now just 5 minutes transforms everything into velvet smooth mulch, ready for beds or fuel. It effortlessly chews through even the most stubborn dry branches without complaint. Anyone else adore the fresh woody aroma at dawn? This isn't just a tool. It's every gardener's ultimate wingman. This homemade mini chainsaw mill is absolutely wild, yet genius. With just basic wood pieces, you can build a fully functional lumber cutter. My hands are itching to try this crazy project. Who else gets excited about hardcore DIY challenges like this? Let's brainstorm ideas together. So today's video ends here. Thank you for watching until the end. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like to support me. Especially press subscribe to not miss the latest content from the channel. I promise to try to bring more interesting things.